Good day mga ka-solve math like a boss. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang set. So everything about set. So meron tayong subset versus proper subset, equal versus equivalent, union versus intersection, finite versus infinite. So we also have null or empty, complement, universal, disjoint in just one video. So let's get started. So here are the terms to ponder. The first one is universal. So when we say universal, it is a set which contains all the elements or objects of another set, including its own elements. So ito yung mga combination ng mga bawat set. Halimbawa yung mga subset ng mga, kung ilan man siyang subset, kapag kinumbine yun, that's the universal set. Okay? The next one is empty set. Empty set or null is a unique set having no element. Ibig sabihin, walang laman. Empty. The third one is disjoint. When we say disjoint, two sets have no common element. So walang magkaparehas. Halimbawa, ang set A ay colors of the rainbow, and then ang set B ay numbers from 1 to 10. As you can see, two different sets po siya. Walang common element. Walang parehas in short. Okay? And then number 4 is complement of a set. When we say complement of a set, that set or the set that includes all the elements of the universal set that are not present in the given set. Halimbawa, ang universal set natin ay the elements are from 1 to 20. So 1 to 20 yung elements ng universal, for example. And then set A contains 1, 2, and 3. Yan. When we say complement of A or complement of set A, ibig sabihin, ano yung lahat, ano yung meron kay universal na wala sa akin. So kung titingnan natin, meron dyang 1, 2, 3 yung A. Ibig sabihin, yung 4 hanggang 20 wala kay A. So yun yung complement. That's the complement of set A. Okay? Next. Let's now proceed to subset versus proper subset. So, ano yung pinagkaiba ng dalawa? Though parehas naman silang subset. Tingnan natin. So, example natin, set A contains 1, 3, and 5. So, when we say subset, ibig sabihin sila yung mga set na kinuha natin doon sa given na set. So, halimbawa, number 1, parehas silang merong empty set. Kasi empty set is a subset of any set. So, kailangan pag meron kang isang set at tinanong ano yung mga subset, number 1 mo agad yung empty or walang laman. Next one, we have element, may isang element, 1, and then 3, parehas sila. 5, parehas. And then we have 1 and 3, and then 1 and 5, parehas pa din, and 3 and 5. Now, look at this. 1, 3, 5, yung set na may element na 1, 3, 5 ay nakay subset, pero wala kay proper subset. Ibig sabihin, yan yung pinakaiba nila. When we say subset, all the things that you see on the screen, including the set itself. Ibig sabihin, kasama yung given na 1, 3, 5. Unlike sa proper subset, mayroon siyang -1, kumbaga, kay subset. And then, take note that a subset of a set A can be equal to set A, but a proper subset of set A can never be equal to set A. Okay, parang -1 kapag proper subset. Ganun lang yun. Next, we have equal and equivalent. When we say equal, let's have an example. Set A contains 1, 3, and 5. Set B contains 5, 1, and 3. As you can see, kung i-observe nyo yung dalawang set, parehas na parehas yung mga element na meron, naka-jumbo lang sa pangalawa. So, ibig sabihin, equal set po siya. Okay? Take note that regardless of the order, the elements are exactly the same kapag equal. Equal yung cardinality or yung number, equal yung eksaktong mga elements. Sa equivalent naman po, let's say, D, E, F as the elements of set A, and set B contains 1, 2, 3. As you can see, yung mga elements po niya magkakaiba. pero equivalent po ang A and B sa paanong paraan? The number of elements is the same. So, ibig sabihin, kapag parehas ng bilang, equivalent po yung tawag. Yung number of elements po, ang other term po doon, yung cardinality. Cardinality of a set, ibig sabihin yung bilang, number of elements. So, pwede nating sabihin na si equal ay equivalent. Pwede. Equal, yung mga equal set po ay pwede siyang sabihin equivalent. Pero never mong sasabihin na equal ang equivalent. Tandaan yan. Next. Finite and infinite. So, when we say finite, ibig sabihin, may katapusan. Ibig sabihin, bilang. So, number 1, set of months in a year, set of primary colors, set of the Philippine presidents, set of even numbers between 1 to 50, and set of prime numbers less than 10, 100. So, all those examples po ay countable po yung mga elements. So, the number of elements can be counted. Kaya mong bilangin kasi set of months in a year, 12, mga ganong bagay. Now, when we say infinite, ito yung mga examples. Set of stars in the galaxy, set of grains of salt, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of real numbers. Lahat ng mga binibigay po ay mga hindi mo kayang bilangin yung mga element. Okay? Next. So, the number of elements cannot be counted in infinite. Next. Union and intersection. So, operation na po ito ng sets. When we say union, look at the example. Set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B contains 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. When we say union, from the word itself, union, nag-unite, yan po, unite, ibig sabihin, pagsasama-samahin mo lahat ng elements. So, look at the union. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Saan galing? Diyan po, isa-isa yung makikita. So, yung may mga magkaparehas, count as one na yon kapag union. Sa pagtatandaan, kapag yun, magkasama lahat. Wala kayong ititira. And take note that all the elements from the given sets are included. While in the intersection, look at the example. Set A and set B, same examples po from set A and set B of the union sets. Sa intersection naman, ibig sabihin po, look at the given, yung 2 at saka yung 4. Ibig sabihin, pag intersection, kung ano lang yung common sa dalawang set. Only the common element or elements will be included. Kapag walang common na element, ibig sabihin, ang intersection niyan, empty or null. Ibig sabihin, disjoint sets po yun. Okay, kasi nga walang common, di ba? Based from the definition na sinabi ko kanina. So, that's all. Thank you for listening. So, I hope you learned something. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay? Goodbye.